Facade versus elevation. What's the real difference in building design? Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between facade and elevation in building design? Let's clear it up in simple words. The facade is the visible front face of a building, the part you actually see from the street. It's all about aesthetics, style, and design. The materials, windows, doors, and decorative elements together create the facade, which gives a building its unique identity and character. On the other hand, the elevation is a technical drawing that architects use during the design process. It shows the layout, proportions, and height of different sides of a building, like front, side, and rear elevations. These drawings help visualize what the building will look like before it's built. So in short, facade is the actual visible face of the building. Elevation is the architectural drawing that represents that face. Next time you hear these words, you'll know exactly what they mean. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.